friends. In this video we learn how to use the extrude command in Solid Edge software. Now first of all we open the new model, select the isometric parts. Now open our working page. Now here first of all we draw the sketch. Now draw the circle, select the square rectangle, center square rectangle, and now select the top side. Now draw here the one rectangle. Now give the dimension, select the dimension and enter the here dimension 450 and this one is 250. Now finish this one. Now simply press Ctrl M. Now you can see here your arrow goes to close sketch, then your close sketch color will be changed. Now this one done in orange color. Now left click and touch one time left click. Now you can select direction upward direction, and this one is the downward direction. You want in which direction you want to extrude your sketch, so select that direction, upward or downward. Now I select the downward direction. Now you can see here the amount of extruded heights will be added. Now added manually. This one is a 100 mm. Now you can see here 100 mm. You can change here 150. Now see here 75. You can change this dimension 500. Now simply another sketch, select this one circle. Now lock this plane and draw here, select the top side, draw here the circle, same center, now equal both the circle. Now give the dimension 80 mm. Escape, press Ctrl M. Now you can see here the extrude command. Either you can extrude by using this command. Now you can select the extrude. Now here different features are available. Here the single, chain and face. If you select the single, then your curve selected only single sketch. If you selected chain, then multiple sketch will be selected, and if you selected face, then select only face. You can see here not selected sketch, only face will be selected. Now here select the chain. Now you can see here sketch is selected. Now single one, select both. Now you can right click here and now goes to upward, move upward arrow or downward arrows. You can see here moves upward and downward. Now enter the amount here as per your requirement, 150 mm. You can see here. Now you can change the extruded height 200. return to this one. Now select the square, sketch here, (60 by 60 mm) square, escape, Control M. Now select the extrude. Now you can see here the another option, which one is a finite. You can add, by selected this, you can add the extrude value. Now this one is a through all, means you can cut or you can extrude up to all bodies or all features, means through all. Now this one is a through next, up to next, means you can select this downward face, then this extrude selected up to this face. Now you can see here from to 2. Now you can choose the 2 point, this point to this point, then this close sketch extrude up to this point. Now you can see here extrude symmetric. If you select this one, then your sketch, here select the chain. See, now here you can select the chain, then all the sketch will be selected. Now right click, up and down. You can see here I select the symmetric, then this extrude both the side symmetric from the sketch. You see here, if I unselect this one, now you can goes upward and downward. Only one direction option is available. Now this option is, you can see here, this one is extrude plus, means add extrude, and another option one will be cut, means remove. You can see here I select the add, then here extrude solid will be generated. Now I select the cut. You can see here the material will be cut here. Material will be cut here, you can see, means remove the material or extrude cut. Now this one is a open or close. You can use the for open sketch and close sketch. Now this one is a extrude side step. You can provide from here draft. If you provide draft in extrude, then you can easily provide draft from here. Enter the angle and press OK. Now this one is the another side angle. If you extrude other side, then provide other side draft. Now another option is available, which one is the crown option. You can provide the radius at, you can see here, you can provide the radius at the corner, at the edges. In place of draft angle, you can enter the radius here. Now this one is the node treatment. This one is the point, center point, end point. Locate the center point. This one is the different points are available to locate your sketch, extrude, cut, apply features. Now this one is the main features of the extrude. Now from here select through, next I select this up to this. Select a remove cut. Through next I select this one. You can see here through next option. Now in this video we learn this extrude command only. Now in next video we learn how to revolve command using Solid Edge software. Now thank you for watching this video. For more videos please watch and subscribe my channel.